Oh my goodness. I absolutely love your paper. You did a great job, Chelsea. So when I was reading this, I was kind of thinking of myself as well because I love this book as well. And my first grade teacher read this to me. I mean, seriously, back in the day, I was a first grader like a million years ago. But I love the idea that your first grade teacher kind of brought reading to life. Like you wanted to be around her because she was fun and she made it enjoyable. And of course the book was good too. And I love the part in here about the sheep. Okay, so I grew up on a sheep ranch, so I don't have a whole lot of background in cows, but I've been around them. I just hadn't owned any. But I do own sheep, and my dad owned sheep, and so we always had like bum lambs, like always, and we always had them in the back in a cardboard box by the laundry room, and heaters, and I used to like wrap them in t-shirts. And so when you were talking about begging your dad for the bum calf, I thought that was just great because I've been there. I've done that. That was great. So when you're talking about like bringing books to life in the classroom, this is the perfect one to it. And especially this has got such a heartstring, pull to it because you've got the friendship in there and you've got the circle of life thing going on in there. And you've got just different characters that are so fun to read about. And you could definitely do like your teacher did with the food, or you could do art, or you could do music, you could do plays, you could do a million different things. I did see this one here, which I thought was kind of cool. This is off of weareteachers.com, and they do a pretty good job about, different things that you could do with books. And so when I was reading yours, I was looking at this art project right here with the spider webs. So what this is white crayons, and then you draw the web, and then they put water paint over the top of it. So that was kind of cool. Little parachutes, of course, and the blue ribbon, and having the words in the spider webs, I thought was just a really great idea. So definitely a great book. I think this is fantastic for you to jump off of. And I know you said your first grade teacher read it, as did mine, but this would be a totally appropriate book for lots of ages. Even when like those third and fourth graders think they're too cool for books like that, they really do love it. This book has been almost a classic for so long now that it was a good pick on your choice. I loved it. So well done. Thanks.